Yo, this is Dan with the van, and check it out. This is Dan with the van and Nano Control Korg 2, and I've already connected the flipping MIDI controller to the DaVinci Resolve software. And at first I was experiencing an issue when I went to DaVinci Resolve preferences and ticked the use mini audio console. The MIDI input did not appear in the drop down menu, therefore I had to search calmly, and I found this awesome article on novationmusic.com, which explains that you need to check your system preferences, and then if in your utilities, if you're working on Mac, you gotta find audio MIDI setup, and then through audio MIDI setup you will finally make the computer recognize the MIDI control. And after all that hassle, I can show you what actually happens here. So if you look like that, here I am gonna rewind, and from there I am gonna press play, and you can see this is like my vlog, and my girlfriend pointed out that I can make it louder by using these. And then I don't know if you can notice, but with this switch I can switch the sound from right to left.
This is перепичка. Сейчас подивимося, що це таке.
Well, and so far so good. Subscribe to my channel, and I will post more stuff soon. See ya.